Hi there, thanks for watching this episode, which will be the last one in which we're going to change the home page. Without further ado, let's get to work. We will start by going to the word item and change it to do not slide me to the left, because we do not want people to slide it to the left, because if they do, then a button will appear, and if they press that button, if they press that button, then the whole list will be gone, and we will try to avoid that. And then the button will be called danger. Alright, let's add a function to this button. We will add a click handler, which will execute a function. And most of the time when you're making a function, you want to redirect this function to the page TypeScript, where all your functions are stored. But you do not necessarily have to do that. And because this is a very easy function, we're going to put this function into the HTML itself. We start by typing our variable called destroy, and then we will set this variable to true. Of course, there is no variable that is called destroyed yet, but we will be creating it very soon. But before we're going to do that, we're going up and we're going to add a class property to this list. We will not hard code the class like before, because then the list will instantly disappear, and we want it to disappear only when someone presses that button. To do this, you have to type brackets, then class, then the name of the class. Let's take a sneak peek in how we called this class before. So we go into the SCSS file, and here we can see that we called it destroy. But I'm going to rename it because my variable is also called destroy. So this can be a little bit confusing for you guys, and it's better to change it to a word that is only specific for this class. This is why we'll put a line after it and then class. Easy like this. Okay, let's grab this class, copy it and take it back into the HTML page. Now we're going to put it behind class, and what this property does, it checks if the value after it is true or false. So if we say true, then the class will be added instantly. But if we do that, then it's still hard coded, and that's not what we want. We want it to be dynamic. We want it to be a soft coded property. That's why we will assign the destroy value that we assigned over here. The last thing we're going to do is grab this destroy variable and create it in our TypeScript file. To do this, we're going to add another variable. We call it destroy, and it's a true or false, so it's a boolean again. It'll get a red line because we didn't assign it in the constructor. So we say this destroy, and we set it to false, because we do not want to destroy the list from the start. Okay, fine, let's see what we made. Here we have it, our very dangerous slide button. Let's see if it works. So we slide it to the left, and then we press danger, and it's gone. And with it, the first section of our tutorial. Now that I have showed you a few UI components of Ionic, I'm going to show you advanced theming, API references, native APIs, storing data, and I'm going to show you how you can deploy your app to your device. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next episode.